We are unique, different, but there's something that holds us together: our values. Our values are a part of us, what we stand for, and everything that identifies our actions. We are a team, and like a sports team, we collaborate, because only by playing together do we win. And together, we're able to create the best solutions for our clients and improve our well-being. We have a culture of doing, and we know how to take the initiative to create innovation and continuous improvements. We live in the present, solve everyday challenges, and know how to enjoy the most important moments of our lives, all the while preparing for tomorrow and planning for a sustainable reality for people and our planet. We constantly work to win the heart of our customers, knowing that our victory is achieved through their satisfaction. We bring value through tailored solutions and services, building long-term relationships through trust in personal relationships. We take responsibility for our actions. We uphold total and unconditional respect for dignity, safety, and human rights. We strengthen relationships with local communities and territories by contributing to environmental protection and their development. We're united by the same goal: to offer products with such high quality and performance that once installed, our customers will forget they have them. Anytime, anywhere. We're unique. We're a team. We are Bonomi Industries.